This is the Mona Lisa Composition Gold Leaf Kit. Achieve the look of real gold on frames, mixed media, home decor, and more. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to get started: adhesive, composition metal leaf, and a protective sealant. First, using a flat brush, apply a light, smooth, even coat of adhesive. Make sure there is no pooling, drips, or brush strokes. Then gently place a sheet of metal leaf over the adhesive. Use a slip sheet from the kit to apply firm pressure and burnish the leaf, ensuring it adheres to the surface. Using a large, soft brush, sweep away any extra leaf, revealing your beautifully gilded surface. To protect the gold leaf and keep it from tarnishing or becoming dull, apply the included protective finish with a flat brush.